Good evening once again. My topic is measurement in human body. The slide changed, right?
Yes.
Okay, so firstly, let me start with a short starter. This is an interesting fact. Your nose length and your thumb length is exactly the same. If you can take your thumb and measure it like this,
Correct. Oh, correct.
exactly the same. So that was a fact. And so measurement is the size, length, or amount of something. Geometry is a field of study, and it is a branch of mathematics that studies the sizes, shapes, positions, angles, dimensions of things, etc. And just like geometry, there's a study named anthropometry, which means the study about the measurement of human individual. So I'm going to tell you what all measurements are there in our body. It's a very vast topic, but what all I can include, I have included. So firstly, the RBCs. So you know what is an RBC? It is red blood cells. Have you observed the shape of RBCs? It is round and biconcave in shape. Biconcave means concave on both sides. So it will look like this. It will be going inside. So from the top view, we can see the RBC like this. And if we make it half and see from the side, it is this concave. It is biconcave. Next is the heartbeat, the number of times our heart beats. It normally beats for 70 to 75 times per minute. Next is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein found in RBCs that carry oxygen in your body and gives the blood its red color. So this is hemoglobin and it is present inside the RBCs. A healthy individual have 12 to 16 grams of hemoglobin in every 100 milliliter of blood. Next is kidney. Each kidney of an adult human measures 10 to 12 centimeter in length, 5 to 7 centimeter in width, 2 to 3 centimeter in thickness with an average weight of 120 to 170 grams. So about 40 to 45% of our human weight or the body weight of a human adult is contributed by the muscles. So you know this bone over here behind, or you can feel it behind, that is the scapula. It is a large triangular flat bone situated in the dorsal part of thorax between the second and seventh rib. Dorsal part of thorax means the back side of the chest. So this is the shape. It is triangular in shape. Next is our eyeball. The adult human eyeball is nearly spherical in structure. It is not exactly spherical because of this cornea and etc. But it is nearly spherical in structure. Now I'm going to talk about the shapes of epithelial cells. So can anyone say what is epithelial tissues or cells or epithelium? Okay, I will tell you what it is. So on the basis of structural modification of cells, okay, epithelial tissues are, it lines the outer surface of organs and blood vessels throughout the body. You can feel a soft thing when you put your tongue near the inner lining of your mouth. It is epithelial cells. So it lines the outer surface of the organs and the blood vessels throughout the body, as well as the inner surface of cavities in many internal organs. It is like a covering or protective tissues. So there are three types of simple epithelium. Squamous tissues, which is flattened cells. Cuboidal epithelium tissues, which is shaped like a cube. And columnar epithelial tissues, which is cylindrical in shape. Next, I'm going to tell about the body mass index. So does anyone know what is BMI or body mass index?
The mass of our body, the weight.
Yes.
So it is the mass and height of a person.
Yes. So it is a simple calculation. using a person's height and weight. So why is BMI important? Why should we know our BMI, body mass index?
To keep a healthy diet and all.
Yes,
Simple.
because we need to find out if our weight is in healthy proportion to your height. Only then we will be healthy. So let me show you how we can calculate our body mass index to find if we are healthy. So we just need to divide your weight, which should be in kilograms, by the height in meters. So for example, you weigh 70 kg and you're 185 centimeter tall. So weight is 70 kg and 185 centimeter. We need the value in meters. So centimeter to meter, we have to divide by 100. So as it is division, there are 2 zeros. We will move towards the left and it will be 1.85 meters. So we got the weight and height. Now we just need to divide it. So 70 by 1.85 square. It is mentioned that we need to square it. So at last we will get the value. And now we can check it, like we take our height in centimeter. Yes, now we can check if we are healthy or underweight, overweight, whatever. So it was the value was 20.4. So it is between 18 and 24. So it is normal. So you are not underweight, overweight, obese, or extremely obese. So with this table or measurement, we can find out if we need to do something, if we have to change our lifestyle or routine to have a healthy body. Next is the size of organs. The largest gland in our body is liver. The smallest gland is pituitary gland. This is the brain and this is pituitary gland. The three smallest bones in our human body are present in the middle ear: malleus, incus, and stapes. This is stapes. This is malleus, this is incus, and this is stapes. And out of which stapes is the smallest with 3 into 5 millimeter in size. And the longest bone is femur. Lastly, the lungs remove a large amount of carbon dioxide, approximately 18 liters per day. Thank you.